Okay guys, this is the Pro Plugger that I got, and I'm gonna have to tell you, I absolutely love it for what it does for me. I mean, because it really works. So I've been taking plugs from out there on the other side of the fence where there's some big old thick Bermuda that I cleaned all the weeds out of, and bringing them in and putting them all down here. Okay, my grass plugs have been in the ground for 3 days. Yeah, 3 days. They went in on Wednesday and it's now Friday, so that's just 2 days. Yeah, they're still got green on them. They hadn't went dormant on, didn't go dead. So we're hoping they're gonna be okay. We're gonna just keep putting some water to them and putting them in and going from there. So yeah, but we'll see if they work. And I piled quite a few of them around the stairs. I piled a bunch of them there. So see. But Pro Plugger makes it simple and easy, and well, I like it. So we'll got to go put these back in the hole. We got dirt in the tube I got to put back, and then I can get another set. Let's see. I want to do a set right quick. Let's go. Okay, I took the plugs out of this spot right here, and I put them over there in that yard. And now, well, the things I took out of the ground to plant, they're in here. Let's get them back in these holes so the ground can grow back. Now these were done yesterday, and I got to get them put in. These were done Wednesday, where you see a few here, a few here. There's a patch, a little patch right down there maybe. I just go to the nice clean Bermuda and pick me out there's a little patch right over there, and I pull out nice big old chunkers and put them in here. So yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take our tube and dump all the dirt clods out. See, now that's what come out of the yard up there when we planted this last batch. So we'll just take these, put them in the holes. The grass has already grown over these holes a little bit, making it hard to get the plugs back in. I shouldn't wait. I let them sit in the machine. Okay, now I stuck them all back in the holes. I'm just going to work them in, get them down where they're below the surface. I don't want to leave any of it on top. Now this stuff here, you don't want to leave that on top of the ground. You want to like that. You want to get it down, because if it lays on top, it's going to make a brown spot in the builder. Okay, so there we go. Now, the Pro Plugger is empty now and ready. And let me see if I can find us a nice little stretch right here. It looks good. Yeah, that's a pretty little section right there. Let's get us some of this. I'm running out of arms. Okay. There you go, see? So, you do that 15 times and it fills this tube up at 2 inches. And then you take 15 and go put them in the ground over there. So, that's what the idea is. Let me get 15 right quick. Okay. 15 of them that I punched out and I got right here. Let's go take them, put them somewhere in the yard. Go find a place. Okay. This is the corner I did a lot of build up in. I just pulled the weeds all out of it last night, and we're gonna put a few of these plugs in right here to give us a kind of a head start and get a jump to fill this back in, give it a little bit more something to go with, something that can work. So we'll punch them out and put them in there. Let me show you how that works. Y'all can see. There we go. There's a few of them. We'll use that many in this corner, and then we're gonna put the rest of them. Let's go put some right here. And that last one always gets stuck in the tube. You have to send it to the bottom. Okay, so you see where we got them laying. I'm gonna try to add a little body to that so that can fill in a little quicker. Is what the idea is. So I know the drill. Punch holes and put them in. Let's punch a hole first. Put it in a spot. stomp your foot on it. Do not use just the handles. Use your foot. Pull it out. Look at that. Now, take one of these plugs and set it in that hole and push it down real good to the bottom. See that? Now, just got to repeat. So I'm going to add some of this corner to build it up so it can get a jump and get going. So let's see how it works.